Hey, Starbucks partners! Today, we're going to get that official SBUX Partner app onto your personal phone. I'm going to walk you through the correct official way to do it so you can finally get your schedule right in your pocket.
So let's just address the number one question right out of the gate. You've probably gone to the App Store, typed in Starbucks Partner Hours, and come up with nothing, right?
Yeah, you're not crazy. It's not there. And that's because it's an internal company app, not a public one. So let me show you the secure, official way to actually get it on your phone.
First off, why are we even doing this? Well, trust me, getting this app is a total game changer for managing your schedule and your life. It really puts a lot of control right in the palm of your hand.
I mean, just look at what it does. It puts all the important stuff right there. You can see your schedule 2 weeks out, you can request time off without having to be at the store, and you can easily swap shifts with your coworkers. It's awesome!
Okay, so let's get into it. We've broken this whole thing down into a simple 3-step quest. First, we're going to download a gateway app. Then, we enroll your device to connect it securely. And finally, we install the actual Partner Hours app. Let's go.
All right, step 1. Now this is going to feel a little weird, a little counterintuitive, because we have to download a completely different app first. Think of this app as a secure doorway into the Starbucks system.
So this is key. Go to your regular App Store or the Google Play Store, but do not search for the Starbucks app. Instead, you're going to search for Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub. That's the one you need to download first.
Now, once you open that Hub app, it's going to ask for 2 things. This part is super important. For the server, you're going to type in appcafe.starbucks.com. And for the group ID, you need to type partner and make sure it's in all caps.
Next up, it's going to ask you to log in. No surprises here. Just use your normal global username and password. Yep, the exact same one you use for the Partner Hub or on the back-of-house computers.
Okay, you're doing great. On to step 2, device enrollment. Now, this is the part that can seem a little strange because it asks you to install a management profile. So let's talk about what that actually means and, more importantly, what it doesn't mean.
It's totally fair to see that word manage and get a little concerned about your privacy. You're probably thinking, wait, what? But the answer is pretty simple. It's all about keeping company information secure.
The technology it uses is called Mobile Device Management, or MDM. It sounds really technical, but all it really does is build a secure, separate little box on your phone just for Starbucks apps. It completely walls them off from the rest of your personal stuff.
And this is the most important thing you need to know. This profile absolutely cannot access your personal life. It can't see your photos, it can't read your text, it can't see your browsing history. All it does is manage the work apps inside its own secure little container. That's it.
Okay, attention iPhone users, listen up. This is a really important extra step just for you. After the profile downloads, it's not finished. You have to go into your phone's settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management, and manually tap to trust the new profile. If you don't do this, it won't work.
All right, you made it through the trickiest part. Once your device is enrolled, you have officially unlocked the final step. And this is the part where we actually get the scheduling app.
So, by enrolling, you've just gained access to a secret, private app store just for partners. On an iPhone, it's called the App Cafe. On Android, you'll find a new Work tab in your Play Store. This is where the Partner app lives.
And from here on out, it is smooth sailing. Just find the SBUX Partner Hours app inside that private store, tap Install, and let it do its thing. After it's downloaded, you might have to log in one last time with your partner numbers. And boom, just like that, you did it. You now have your full work schedule right there in your hand anytime you need to check it. Success!
Okay, but what happens if you hit a wall somewhere? If you got an error message, don't panic. It happens to a lot of people. Let's quickly go over the most common issues and how to fix them.
And seriously, you are not alone if you find this process a little tricky. Just check out this comment from a partner on Reddit. A lot of people get stuck, but don't worry, these next few tips should get you sorted out.
All right, here are the top 4 problems. If you're getting a password error, your best bet is to go reset your password on the Partner Hub first. If the app just won't install, try going back into the App Cafe, tapping Install again, and then just restart your phone. And if enrollment fails, 9 times out of 10, it's a typo in the server address or you forgot to make partner all caps. Feel free to pause here if you need to look these over.
But what if you've tried everything here and it's still just not working? Okay, don't throw your phone across the room just yet. There is a dedicated team that is ready to help you out.
Do not be afraid to call the Enterprise Help Desk. The number is 888-SBUX-401. They are the pros who deal with this stuff all day. Just make sure you have your partner number handy when you give them a call.
We really hope this guide made the whole process way easier for you. Congrats on getting everything set up, and happy brewing.